Hello everyone, this is Senpai and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I paint latex cloth. If you don't have the file yet, you can go to my Gumroad and download the Photoshop file. The file name is npi_2b_week4. Then you'll get the reference that I use in this video as well, so make sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. Alright, for latex clothing, it has the same luster as metallic. The highlight part has a very bright color, and in the highlight part, if you look closely, you see there's consists of a hard edge and a soft edge. So I start by creating a new layer, then hit L to use lasso tool, and then select the area that is going to be the cloth. After I got the shape of the cloth the way that I want, I choose a dark gray for the cloth and gradually remove the excess. I create a new layer above the skin but below the clothing layer, and then I pick the skin color and then paint it to cover up the straps. After getting the shape I want, I create a new layer above the shirt layer and then right click, create clipping mask and change the layer mode to multiply. Then slowly paint the shadows to shape the clothes. I recreate the layer. As you can see from the reference that there is a lighter part because the light reflection of the latex clothing creates a contrast between the light and the dark areas. And in terms of wrinkles, it is because of the latex is highly flexible, so it creates a unique wrinkle. I create a new layer and select a light blue to paint the part near the highlight as shown in the picture. Then I use smudge tool to blur it a bit and then I lower the opacity. I create a new layer, create clipping mask, and change the layer mode to linear dodge. Then use the airbrush to make the bright parts appear brighter. Then create another layer and now I'm going to draw the brightest highlight. You'll notice that the highlights are horizontal because the clothes is drawn by the shape of the body. And I use the smudge tool to make the brush stroke a little bit blurry. I recreate the layer and change the layer mode to multiply. Select black color and paint on the areas next to the highlight to create even more luster. And that's it. This is my thought that I use for paint the latex clothes. I hope this video is helpful to you, and I look forward to see you in the next video as well. Thank you very much for joining me, and thank you for your support. See you next week. Bye bye.